Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Chevy guys, a GMC, Buick or Cadillac guys, pretty much any vehicle made by General Motors, and you have guys any of those codes guys in the corner of the video there guys. The codes I'm talking about could be guys P0030 P015B P0130 132 or 134. Stay with us guys and we'll explain what can cause those codes and how to fix it. Now we'll be working on Chevy Cruze, but pretty much it will work on any General Motors vehicles guys. If you have any of those two codes, we'll explain what to look for. Now, quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys we will save you some money. In addition, if you need any tools or any parts guys, you can find the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get them from for a very good price and fast shipping as well. Now this is, as I said, 2015 Chevy Cruze. I'm going to go ahead and start it and show you guys how the engine light is on, what code we have, and how we're going to test the system and make sure that this is the component that we need to replace now guys. So I'm going to find the OBD connector of this car. The OBD port is usually under the dash somewhere. Click right here, perfect. And I'm inside now guys, inside the vehicle. So we're going to turn ignition key on. Okay, like that, ignition is on. And I'm going to click here now OBD. Okay, it's loading now guys. It will take just a couple seconds to establish communication. And we're going to have here now, okay, the menu. If we want to delete previously stored data. Yep. So we have, you may have up to like 3-4 modules, it really depends. One of those will be the main engine module, the other one could be for fuel, one is for battery testing, the voltage and all that stuff. But usually all the information that we need guys is under the module with digit 8 on the very last digit guys. And right here we're going to click read codes. Okay, let me show you pending codes. I always check my pending codes because check stored codes, but usually under pending codes you may get an extra code, so check stored and pending codes guys. And that's the code that we have. Oxygen sensor, heater control circuit, bank 1, sensor 1. Bank 1 guys, okay, if you have a 4-cylinder engine, this is super easy. Bank 1 guys, you just have one bank because you have one cylinder head. On 6-cylinder V6 and V8 guys, you will have, okay, bank 1 and bank 2. One is one head and the other one is the other cylinder head. So you will guys have 2 upstream oxygen sensors on V6 and V8 engines. On 4 cylinders you have only one. So that's guys most likely what's going bad with our car. So what I'm going to do now, okay, we're going to go back and we're going to click here now to see live data. Okay, this is live data here. It's loading. Okay, it's going to take just a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to start the car. Now, do that test guys after the car warms up. Okay, let it run for at least 5 minutes to do that test to make sure that everything's running fine. So now we're going to click view data, complete data set, and we need to find guys oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1 guys. So okay, I'm trying to kill a mosquito here that's trying to eat me. So now I'm going to go here, scroll until we find oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1. Check it out how it stays at 1.275 volts. Okay, I'm going to see the graph for that, and if I rev the engine guys, okay, that sensor shouldn't be like that. It should be more responsive and it should change. And you can see our engine light is on. Okay, engine light is on and the sensor is not moving at all guys. So what is causing that now? We're going to go ahead and turn the car off. Okay, we'll turn it off. Now I'm going to open the hood and show you guys what we need to do. So guys, what's happening now? On that 4-cylinder engine I'll be able to show you really easy. If you have a V6, V8, you need to find out which head is bank 1 and which is bank 2. We have a video on the channel that explains that on most vehicles guys. what you need to look for. Now, on this one right here, guys, on 4-cylinder engine, you need to find your exhaust manifold and the first oxygen sensor that you see before the catalytic converter. This is your upstream oxygen sensor, or sensor number 1, guys. The second one is the downstream. It's past the catalytic converter and it's all the way on the back on the exhaust. So now that sensor, guys, most likely 8 out of 10 times this sensor will be bad. You may have, guys, a bad fuse. Check out if you have fuses for your oxygen sensor. Sometimes you do, on some models, on some you don't, but check out the fuse. If you have a fuse, check it, replace it. Check your connectors, check the wires that are not melted by the exhaust somewhere. This is a very common problem as well, because if that wire is not attached here, it will get on the exhaust and it will melt, and as a result the sensor will not work. So always, okay, reconnect them and see if that helps. Now this is, guys, a special tool socket that you remove the oxygen sensors with. It's very cheap, guys, not expensive, but it makes everything so much easier and so much better, because otherwise you can damage quite a few things in your car. So check it out. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. How that works: okay, it goes through the wire and it just goes on top. You get your extension here and you remove it. Super simple, guys. You can see how easy it is. Now we'll go ahead and replace our sensor and see if that takes care of the problem. Now, if you want to see, guys, how to remove and replace oxygen sensor, we have it on the channel. We demonstrate it on Chevy Cruze. Otherwise, okay, the purpose of this video is to see if new sensor will fix our problem now. So the new sensor has been installed. Now I'm going to go in the vehicle, start it, guys. Okay, before I start it, let me go ahead and clear the engine light, actually. Well, we can clear it in a little bit. I don't want to waste your time. Okay, first I want to show you the live data, because it's already connected there. So check it out now. If we find the oxygen sensor now, okay, right here, 02 B1S1, guys. Okay, check it out now how it changed. If your car is cold, it may stay at a certain level, but let the car warm up for 5-10 minutes, and if it doesn't change, check your wiring harness and fuses, guys. But the oxygen sensor needs to go, the upstream oxygen sensor, up and down, because it detects lean, rich mixture, and it actually tells the computer how to fix that. Now, if I rev the engine up, check out what is going to happen. When I first rev it up, guys, okay, like that, okay, check it out, it will stay, guys, okay, it will stay rich, then okay, see, reach, now we'll go reach, and then it will go down and it will stay lean for a while. If, let's say, I rev it up, now it should go up and down super fast. Now if I go down, check it out. So it should be, guys, very responsive. It should go between 0.08 and 9.2 usually, something like that. You may experiencing a little bit lower or higher values, but that's pretty much it, guys. So if you have any of those codes, that's most likely is the solution. You may have another problem as well, but 8 out of 10 times that's the problem, guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.